Happy Thursday, everybody. All right, so today on our workout, A version, we have 42, 30, 18 pistols or one-legged squats, then 21, 15, 9 of hand release push-ups, and then 42, 30, 18 of med ball overhead sit-ups. We'll come back and talk about those in just a minute. On the B version, all the reps are the same, except we're going to do goblet squats instead of pistols, and then we're going to do weighted sit-ups instead of med ball overhead. But you're still going to be doing hand release push-ups, okay? The goblet squats, you're just going to hold a dumbbell and squat all the way down, come all the way back up. On the weighted sit-up, you're going to hold the dumbbell close to your chest and then do your sit-ups that way, okay? And the hand release push-ups are just normal hand release push-ups. Chest all the way down to the ground, release your hands from the floor, and then push back up. If the numbers seem a little bit too much on one of them, just kind of scale those back to whatever suits you, okay? On the A version, we're going to talk about the flow and then some modifications for this, okay? So basically the flow would be 3, 2, 1, go. First round, you would do 42 pistols, then you would do 21 hand release push-ups, and then 42 med ball overhead squats. And on the B version, same thing. So you would do those, and then you would do the 30, the 15, the 30, and then the last round would be 18, 9, and 18, okay? So, pistols or one-legged squats. Not everybody has pistols. They're a hard movement. So we can scale that back. So, great scaling options. Don't just defer to the air squats or goblet squats because you don't have pistols. Great scaling options is have a bench or a box, and we can do one-legged squats down to the box. So we're gonna stand up, 1 foot up, sit down on our box, and stand back up. Switch legs, find our balance, come back, and then come back up. Great scaling option there. If that maybe is a little bit too easy and you actually have a rig and some bands, here's another great pistol exercise. So you can use your J-hooks. I have a couple little pins that I stick in here, but you can use your J-hooks. Get a nice band. The height on this is going to be determined by your leg strength and how comfortable you are with this. But you're going to hook that up, string it across your rig. Right now, this is just about waist high to me. I'm going to pull that down, put it underneath my butt, scoot back in here. And then from now, we're going to use the band to help us squat down and come back up. So we're going to go up on one leg, come all the way down, and then come back up. Switch legs, come over, and come back up. That is a great pistol modification. Put you in the proper positioning. You can add a couple bands if you need help with that. And like I said, you can adjust the height of that. Obviously, the higher, the easier it's going to be. The lower, the harder that's going to be. Okay? So that's modifications for the pistol. All right? Hand release push-ups on both variations. You're going to come all the way down, release your hands, all the way back up. And then on those med ball sit-ups, you're going to take a med ball, come all the way back, touch that ball overhead, and then come up. And that's the med ball sit-up. Hope you have a great Thursday. See ya.